Hello everyone, it is Erin Footer here, and I am here with my March Business Traveler's Notebook setup. I don't usually have an intro here, but I kind of screwed up when I was recording the video and lost half of the footage. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the footage that I do have during this setup and then regroup and walk you through my process and what I chose to do this month for my Traveler's Notebook.
Well, that's embarrassing. So anyways, I use some Clipart that I downloaded from Creative Market, who I am an affiliate of. So I will go ahead and link my affiliate link down below to this kit. And honestly, it's a really well-made, simple living room aesthetic. And I really like the colors. And I wasn't really feeling any of my current sticker kits for the month of March. So I decided to go with this clip art instead. And then of course I updated this and added a bunch of my own lettering and certain words that I needed for this particular setup. And I actually think I'm going to do this a little bit more in my Business Traveler's Notebook. I've been really digging just showing off more artists and more things on Creative Market. And I am an affiliate of them because I really do enjoy using their products. So again, I will link all of that down below. But this is my normal setup. Not a lot is different from the way I've done things previously. I think there's a few things that I've changed up just slightly, but I'll talk about that when I go over it, because of course I messed up when I was recording this, and yeah, it is a little embarrassing. So basically, I just lost half of the footage. I'm really sorry about that. But then I'm really disappointed because it's a kit that I really liked putting together from someone else's art. And I just really like playing with other people's aesthetics and then kind of converging them with my own. And that's what I liked with adding my own lettering and own watercolor paintbrush style edits and things like that. So this is right about where I lose you, so I'll let you go ahead and listen to me in real time talk about all of my spreads.
So we have my standard business Traveler's Notebook pages. I've been doing this for quite a few months, so if you want to get some more inspiration, I have a whole collection of videos I will link down below and in the card. But this is my general calendar that I have. It is just, it's standard bullet journaling where it is a monthly log. And this kit is gorgeous. Like I said in the voiceover, this is from Creative Market, so I am an affiliate, and I will link this these clip art images down below for you. Next, I have my monthly goals. Breaking them up into weeks really worked last time, so I have 2 major goals per week. So I have my weeks over here and then my progress bars. I decided that I wanted to use the pen for the outline of my progress bars, and then I will fill in once I've done it. And you can see I have a few of them already filled in. So batching my March content, so filming a lot of the videos that are going to go up in March, shop reopening, finalizing kit designs, sending the rewards, and finalizing March orders. That is the general idea for the goals. And there is, in fact, 5 weeks. So I only have about half of the last week. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. So I included 5 weeks here. I have my normal monthly review, except for I adjusted it a little bit. I have the start numbers over here, the end numbers, and just a general comment field. For example, on Instagram, over the past like month or so, I had one reel that blew up and has caused a lot of the follower growth. So I want to make notes on that type of thing. And then like I did last month, I have just a general spot down here for ideas for growth. Finances, again, my standard layout. So I have an income section. So these are my main income revenues, and then the total income, and then the expenses, the item plus the total, and then the total up here. Generally speaking, I don't include my shipping costs in here. I usually look at that afterwards and maybe just add like a line for shipping and then the total, but sometimes I do in fact do both. And the reason I break it up like that is because for business taxes in the US, you do have to differentiate between certain types of expenses and shipping expenses. The next is my monthly schedule. So this is going to be more for videos, Patreon, live streams, things like that. So I want to do a monthly schedule here. And then on this one, it's more of like shop related stuff. So when my shop reopens, when my shop closes, if I have something due for someone, for example, if I'm doing some sort of class and I've promised a blog or a video or something like that, I want to note that here, not on my monthly schedule. This is more for like video content. So that is my monthly schedule. I obviously made a mistake down here because I was supposed to shift that up by one, and I did not do that. The next one is Patreon. So I have a section here where I can circle my live stream schedules, and then I can put a to-do list related to my patrons. So things like rewards, things like putting up downloadables, things like posting weekly updates and things like that. So I want to go ahead and put that here. And then my master task list, you can see I just kind of made like a little living room design here. And then my master task list. So those are things like filming, editing, doing thumbnails for videos, giving myself a video list that I can work from. Also things like logging my expenses at the end of the month, logging my income at the end of the month, things like that. So very basic master task list. And I do want to check in weekly, which is instead of doing it monthly, which is what I was doing. Wasn't quite working because then there was really no purpose for building a master task list in here if I was only doing it at the end of the month. So that's why I started switching over to the monthly goals. So that's the thought process there. So I am releasing these 2 sticker pages to my patrons. So if you are interested, I will link my Patreon account down below. It only takes $1 to sign up. It supports this channel a ton. So if you can go ahead and do that to support me, that would be great. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. My subscriber versus non-subscriber count for like videos that people are watching is astronomical. So if you could just do a real quick subscribe, and that would be great. And I will see you in my next video, which is a bullet journaling react video. And I can't wait to see you then. Bye, everyone.